Magia रहिले कोड़िया से पदे नाही लो आशा
Today what time is Paran?
I think it's about 7.
7, maybe 7:30 to 8 o'clock, around that time.
Oh,
I think I remember seeing on Sadhana's board.
so I have to finish 7:30. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo Namah Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise Namah He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandho Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastude Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusuti Devi Pranamami Hariprem Jayatang Suratupango Mama Mandamate Gate Matsavashapadambujo Sri Radha Madano Dipod Vindarana Karvadramanda Simadaratnagara Simhastanastu Sri Radha Sila Govinda Depo Prishta Depo Sipamanu Smarami Sriman Rasarasarambi Vamsi Vata Tadastita Karsana Vedum Sanail Gopi Gopinata Sistu Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sri Vasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya-lila Pravishti, Om Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishti Om Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guest. So just I want to speak few words. Yesterday was very nice, super auspicious day, because yesterday was Gita Jayanti. That means Krishna, with the Supreme Personality of Godhead and Bhagavan. He gave so many instructions to Arjuna. And also some Panditas saying that today also Gita manifested. So for this regard, people also celebrate Gita Jayanti. Another also Moksha Ekadasi. If you observe this Ekadasi, you have to get liberation, mukti. Very nice, beautiful katha yesterday I told. Very few people, they know about the meaning of mukti. Because moksha ekadasi, moksha means liberation, mukti. Very few people, they know the perfect and real meaning of mukti. And mukti, general English, that is called liberation. Free from all kinds of bondage. Conditioned soul, Bhatta Jiva, unlimited time, wandering the same cycle of repeated birth and death. And when? But the historical time, you cannot say this word. When Krishna, and that time, or we are in this material world. Because all the living entity, they are called the part and parcel of Lord. Mami Mangsa Jiva Luke Jiva Bhuto Sanatana. Or Jiva also is called as like the rays of sun. And Krishna is as like sun, and Jivas, they are as like rays of the sun. And Krishna Surya Sama Maya Andhakar. Jaha Krishna taha nahi Maya Adhikar. Chaitanya Charitamrita again also explain. Krishna as like blazing sun. And all the direction completely illuminated. And his rays, sun. And Surya Rays. Or where is Krishna? There is no darkness. Jahan Krishna taha nahi Maya Adhikar. Maya means the illusory potency of the Lord, but external potency of Lord. Krishna's Bahiranga Sakti Maya. And Krishna's three potencies are very prominent. Chit Sakti, Jiva Sakti and
Swarup Shakti.
Maya Sakti. Chit Sakti, Jiva Sakti and Maya Sakti. Chit Sakti, that is called transcendental potency of Lord. And Krishna is one. Ekam eva advitiyam. Krishna says, I am one, without second. And ekam eva advitiyam. But according to my spontaneous, inconceivable potency, I manifest many forms. Okay? And in this way, I also release different types of rasas, melodies from the heart of the devotee. Yes. So Krishna's spontaneous three potencies, that is called Chitta Sakti, Jiva Sakti and
Maya
Maya Sakti. What is Chitta Sakti? When transcendental potency, Krishna, he creates the transcendental world. Chit Jagat. What is Jagat? Chit Jagat, transcendental world. And another is potency, that is called marginal potency, Tarsa Shakti. In his Tarsa Shakti marginal potency, he manifests many living entities. And for this regard, Jiva Shakti's many kinds of names. Tarsa Shakti, Jiva Shakti, Vivinamsa Shakti, the same synonym name of Jiva. So now coming to Krishna, he creates all the living entities with his marginal potential, Tarsa Shakti or Jiva Shakti. Or third, Krishna's another potency that is called Maya Shakti. Maya understand? It's the illusory potency of Lord, which is not true. Maya Devsi creates in our heart, that is true. Understand? Let's give an example. We are thinking, I am this body. You are not the body. You are the eternal servant of Krishna. You are the part and parcel of Lord. Mami Bangsa Jiva Luke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. This is true. Krishna is as like blazing sun. Jiva's living entities as like the rays of the sun. Or the sprinkle of the fire. And Agni is pulling the earth. And Jayavardhana Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Jivas, they are alive, and Agni is pulling them. Is
Spark.
Spark. Spark.
Yeah.
And spark of the
Fire.
fire. In this. So now Krishna, he creates the transcendental world with his transcendental energy that is called Chit Shakti. Vaikuntha, Ajita, Dwarka, Mathura, Guru, Vrindavan. And even all his parikar associates, their body also Sachidananda. Satchit Anandamaya. Brahma Singh explains, Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Vanadiyadi Govinda Sarva Karna Karanam. Krishna is called the causes of all the causes. And he is called Sachidananda, Satchit Anandamaya Purush. Satman, Satta, and existence. Chit means transcendental knowledge. Chit Gyan, transcendental knowledge. So Chit Anandam, Anandam is bliss. So much bliss coming from Srimati Radhika. So now coming in this way, Krishna, with his inconceivable potency, he manifests many forms. Ekameva Parama Tattam Sahaviki Achita Satta Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupena Surja Mandala Tat Rasmi Pradicchavi Rupena. And Jiva Goswami Sandarbha explained this way. They are all living entities. They manifested Krishna's marginal potential, Tasha Shakti. So for the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Chaitanya Charitamrita also explained Jiva Swarupai, Krishna Nirtadas or Krishna Tasha Shakti, Ved and
Prakash.
Veda Prakash. Ved and Abhed, difference and non-difference. And Krishna is called unique and unparalleled. Eko. And no one equal to him. Who will be higher than me? Saying this. He is the supreme personality of God. So all the jivas manifested from Krishna's potency, marginal potency. And now we completely are entangled with Maya. We forget to Krishna. We know Maya. What is the Maya again? Maya means the illusory potency of Lord, which is not true. She creates illusion in our heart that we are true. So that means Maya, the external potency of Lord. This is her duty. She creates the illusion in the heart of the conditioned soul. So now coming in this way, Krishna is the supreme personality of God, he is saying Bhagavan. And he creates Chit Jagat, transcendental world, Mind Jagat, material world, what we are looking. This is called material world. Understand? And another is called Jeev Jagat. Jivas, the living entities. Manifested from him. All the living entities manifested from Krishna's marginal potency, because Tasha Shakti. And for this regard, some difference and non-difference from Krishna and living entities. And Krishna Purna Sakti and Shaktiman. Radha Purna Sakti. Again also Srimati Radhika She is called complete Sakti. Sakti means potency. And Krishna is called Saktiman. He is the possessor of all the potency. But without Sakti, Krishna has actually no activities. Saktiman. So that means Krishna's origin, Sakti. That is called Chit Sakti. And the Chit Sakti also is Satchit and Ananda. Krishna, he is called the presiding deity of Chit. Chit means knowledge. Transcendental knowledge. Jnana Sakti Adhisthata Devata Krishna. Or Baladev Prabhu, he is called the presiding deity of
Sat.
Satta. Sat. That means existence. Such Ananda. Ananda means Radhini. Ananda. Bliss. So Ananda Sakti Adhisthata Devata, presiding deities of bliss. That is called Srimati Radhika. That means Baladev Prabhu, Krishna and Srimati Radhika. So now coming in this way, Maya Sakti. Maya Sakti also not meant from Krishna. Ekameva Paramatattam Savivajata Sakta Sarupa Tadrupa